Hi, I'm Dr. Ivan Misner, founder and Chief Visionary Officer of BNI. I want to talk to you today about how you can generate more referrals and more revenue. And that's by becoming a master connector. You know, it's no secret that some people in life do better than others. Is it because they're lucky? No. I think it's because of two things. One, the harder you work, the luckier you get. And two, it's about working smarter, not just harder. Becoming a master connector is about working harder and, more importantly, working smarter. Master connectors exemplify BNI's core values, especially givers gain. Master connectors invite more visitors to chapter meetings. They help visitors to become members. They do more one-to-ones. They give more referrals. And they're the first to step forward to mentor someone when they need help. So it's not surprising that they build strong, long-lasting relationships and receive more referrals than most people. The good news is that becoming a master connector doesn't require years of experience. It just requires a positive attitude, a give-first state of mind, and a willingness to commit to learning how to become a master connector. I'm convinced that every BNI member has the ability to become a master connector. The truth is, when I started BNI, I wasn't a master connector. I had to method act my way through the process. Along that journey, I wrote everything down so you don't have to. All you have to do is immerse yourself in what we know to be true because we've seen it work for decades. Just imagine how much revenue you and your chapter could generate if everyone in the group was a master connector. Networking is more about farming than it is about hunting, and a master connector knows how to reap the harvest related to the connections that they make. This is Ivan Misner, founder of BNI. Thanks for watching.